Hi, Josh Barker with RE/MAX Town & Country Real Estate. Thank you for checking out our market update for the month of January 2019. You know, what we like to do each year in the beginning of the year is we review the housing market and how it performed the previous year. So what we're going to do is cover some of the hottest topics covering real estate over the last 12 months. I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. So the first one is just home prices. The average home price for a home in 2018 was $287,000. That's up from $276,000 in 2017. Now this represents a 4% increase in the average sales price. And a big contributing factor to this is obviously all the distressed properties that are now gone, and also favorable interest rates. Those two things combined have helped our markets continue to appreciate over the last 12 months. The next category to look at is average days to sell a home. So this is the average days it takes from when a home went on the market for sale and once it actually closed escrow and the buyers received their keys and the homeowner received their check, okay? They averaged 99 days for the month of December. If you go back 1 year ago, it was 111 days in the month of December to get a property sold. So these are obviously shorter market times, which indicates that there's good, strong buyer demand for homes that are priced correctly and homes that obviously show well. Next category to look at are actual homes sold. So in 2018, there were 3,303 homes that closed escrow. Now that's up from 3,187 in 2017. So that's about a 3.6% increase in the volume of homes that are selling year over year. Now there is a large contributing factor to this number, of course, and that is in our local market in Shasta County. In July of this last year, a lot of folks suffered what was called the car fire, where many homes were lost, and as a result, those buyers in some cases repurchased another home, which obviously increased our sales volume for the year. Absent those types of buyers, and there is a potential that we would have had fewer transactions in 2018 compared to 2017. The next category to look at is new listings. So the number of new listings coming to the market in 2018 was estimated at 4,758 new listings came to the market in the county compared to 4,362 in 2017. So this is a 9% increase in new listings year over year, which this increase indicates that potentially we're going to see larger home inventories going into this next year, and that possibly could see prices leveling out as a result, depending on what interest rates do. The next thing to look at is just current home inventory. So current home inventory is averaging 977 homes for sale. That's what's on the market today, right now. Now that's a factor of residential homes, condos, and mobile homes. Now last year in the same month, there was 934. So we're already starting this year at a higher rate of inventory than we were last year, which again indicates that we'll probably see potentially longer market times, more inventory, and depending on what interest rates do, we'll know what prices are going to do. Which leads me to my last topic. What are the home price expectations for 2019? So home prices in Shasta County for 2019 are projected to be slightly higher than in 2018. Most experts are predicting a modest 3% appreciation for communities that are similar to Shasta County in the state of California. Likely, whether or not the prices of homes go up or not is going to have a lot to do with interest rates. If interest rates stay steady, we could expect to have some appreciation in the market. But if rates go up, and if they go up a couple of times this next year, we could see prices leveling off. So all of us are going to have to wait and see what happens next. So in any case, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video today. I have some links available in this video where you'll be able to look at the market report in full, which includes slides, so feel free to look at those. And as always, if you have any questions, we're always here to help. Thanks again. Make it a great 2019. We'll see you soon.